Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable Cash App card when disabled. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Cash App on your phone, and then go ahead, tap on this option of card at the bottom left. Then you will find this kind of interface. So if you have access to your card and if you have been using and it has been disabled, then your card will be listed over here with the option of unlock on top of your card on section, and you're gonna simply unlock your card by tapping on the particular option, and your card will be unlocked and enable likewise over there. Now if that doesn't help, you gotta go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Then from over here, scroll down to the menu and then tap on this option of support as highlighted. Then there in the support section, go ahead, simply search in the enable disabled card or etc like that regarding a card, and then simply tap on random article or the problem so you can get the access to the chat section. Go ahead, tap on chat and simply chat to them online regarding your concern and let them know your concern and ask for the solution for it, and they will give you a legitimate solution to help you out. That's basically how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.